Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Mahesh. I recently come across such a company, a model TCM manufacturer by the name of Tasly in China, who today is a world leader, a pioneer in the modernization of traditional Chinese medicine and making it international across the globe. Why do I say about Tasly? A healthcare provider, and as I've taken sincerely the Hippocrates oath, which says, let food be a medicine and medicine a food. And secondly, physician, heal thyself. Having believed strongly in the concept of Hippocrates oath, I believe Tasly is making a change, radically transforming the concept that herbal medicines out there can also help to reduce certain chronic non-communicable diseases and help improve the quality of one's life. This is one company which has gone into and taken the first step to become the first Chinese medicine, proprietary traditional Chinese medicine, to be approved by the FDA to get its investigative new drug trials done. As early as 2007, the second clinical trial was conducted in the US across, I believe, 125 patients, volunteer patients, were studied across 15 centers in the US, and it showed that through this double-blind, randomized, placebo clinical trial, these patients were divided into 3 groups, and the clinical trials was outstanding, simply showing that the products of Tasly have not only world standards but also accepted by the FDA for its third phase of clinical trial. Having said that, what is Tasly? Tasly is a manufacturing company in China. It ranks in the top 3 among 6,000 manufacturers of traditional Chinese medicine. Also, it has more than 1,114 patents worldwide of its more than 300 products. Primarily, they are used in 10,000 hospitals in mainland China. They have been sold in pharmacies, in health food stores, and consumed by more than 200,000 consumers in China. And more importantly, they are using the international standards of the 6 Gs. 1. The good agricultural practice. 2. The good extraction practice. 3. The good manufacturing practice. 4. The good laboratory practice. 5. The good clinical practice. And lastly, 6. The good supply practice. Very few companies out there in the world today, being manufacturers, observe the 6 Gs. Yes, we have companies which follow 3 or 4, but never where all the 6 Gs are simultaneously from the process of harvesting to the supply chain is being done by one company alone. Now that is an amazing and unique feature found in Tasly. Last but not the least, Tasly today wants to make sure that by changing the pattern of consuming unnecessary modern prescription medicines, the usage and overuse of antibiotics in the treatment of chronic infections can be drastically reduced, and the overall cost in the care of the patient will be financially and soundly maintained. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to say one thing. As doctors, we must first know the law is don't do any harm. Secondly, I think we should come together and understand that we should work in combining the age-old wisdom of traditional medicine from these different civilizations who have come now to modernize it and internationalize it along with our present day medicine. In that way, the world will be a better place to live in, the quality of life can be improved, and the longevity of human beings will also increase. Thank you.